Alex Coffey at TD Ameritrade joins us now for the Trader Rundown. And what are your thoughts on the market? It's been a very active trading week.
It certainly has, and the market seems to be struggling to find the direction it wants to go. I think the big story has been the crude oil market continuing to kind of slide, and wondering, if that continues, how does that play into the overall stock market, and where do we go from here?
I also want to take a look at Home Depot with you. Reported earnings, but the earnings were excellent and the stock sold off. Maybe some people were just taking profits, but there were also some hints about how tariff prices could cause American consumers to have to pay more for products potentially at Home Depot. So what do you see here in the trade?
Yeah, exactly. And I think that you hit it right there. This is kind of the theme of the entire earnings season we've had so far this quarter is, even when the numbers are good, even when they guided higher, just one little piece of information mentioning the tariffs there is enough to kind of halt that rally a little bit. We're seeing some upside calls at the 182.5 strike being bought for November.
So some people are taking advantage of the down move and thinking the stock will move higher from here.
Exactly.
What about Michael Kors, also in the retail space? What's happening with that trade?
A little bit of a different story with Michael Kors. So we're seeing a stock that actually sold off quite significantly after earnings, after they missed on some comparable sales numbers going into the holiday season. So we're seeing the 42.5 puts being bought in December as kind of a defensive play, maybe against some long stock that some investors are holding.
Then last on your list, also within the retail sector, is Visa, something people use to buy all the goods.
Exactly, and so their competitor MasterCard actually published a report that was optimistic going into this holiday season for spending, and we're seeing that spill over into Visa as well, and we're seeing the 143 even calls being bought in November going into the holiday season as potentially an upside play.
Thanks for coming on the show and have a great
Always a
trading
pleasure,
day.
thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.